Yeah, the one you had out in the front yard.
Yeah. Hey, you know people try to buy that thing?
No.
A lot of people think, I don't want to buy that motherfucker.
You ain't got no more riding lawnmowers, do you? Where'd you take that one? Drove it to the liquor store?
Yeah.
Drove it down on Ritchie Highway past Kmart.
I took that parade too.
Driven to a parade?
Yeah, when I worked for Sunrise.
No, drove it all the way down to Suburban Park?
No, I took off truck with it.
Oh.
Yeah, I worked at the parade behind the car, Sunrise car. American flag. And, guy gave me a little machine gun. A toy machine gun put on. People love it.
Mm-hmm.
And behind me was the VFW, Veterans Foreign War. Old guy. They love that too. Yeah, we used to have this shit.
What happened to it?
I don't touch it. I don't know. Nobody stole it. I think we just took junkyard shit.
Yeah, you can get in trouble for driving a lawnmower on the highway, can't you? No?
No, no.
You can drive a lawnmower on
No,
the highway.
no, it was a parade. You drive what you want.
No, but the other times you took it out down there.
Fuck,
Yeah, you can't get in trouble for it.
they don't do it bad.
Throw you in jail, probably.
People drive bicycles. You can take on bicycles. Fuck, take all this shit in court, man. Tell you about the cops permit one night, right?
Nah, tell me.
What?
No, ain't tell me cops pull you over.
What's it there? But what's the government? What's that? 648? What's the government building there?
I guess.
Ritchie Highway.
I don't know.
Go out here, go to main road, make a right, get.
By Crane Towers?
Yeah, past that.
Okay.
The main government building, 648.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm so fucking drunk one night. I had a bottle of fucking whiskey right between my legs.
And the cop pulled you over?
Shit, they left me on there. Oh my god. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look. I put there's 4 or 5 cops behind.